Agora eu vou gravar a Samela cantando Jesus Love. Calma aí, que ela não pode me ver. Ela parou de cantar, parece idiota.
I don't know why she wouldn't say goodbye. But they say that I read her eyes, and I do not see wise. I see that try with all the love I have inside. I can't deny. I just can't let it die. I saw the other time. Inside, so when you ask me why, she wouldn't say goodbye. I know somewhere inside there is a special light to shine me bright, and even on the dark night, she can't deny. If she's somewhere near me, I hope to God who hears me. There's no one else who will ever make me feel I'm so alive. I hope she'll never leave me. Please God, you must believe me. I searched the universe and found myself in her eyes.
Acho que agora acabou. Calma aí, vou ficar esperando pra ver se ela canta mais. Essa garota é louca. Essa garota é louca.
They say it's so alive. So as the use of my confessions to a cry of patience that won't die in my heart.
Tá cagando, Samela?
She's somewhere near me. I hope to God she hears me. There's no one else could ever make me so alive. I hope she never leave me. Please God, you must believe me. I searched the universe and found myself in her eyes.
Vou espremer a cabeça dessa garota. Acho que agora acabou. Esperar mais um pouco. Será que acabou? Acho que agora sim. Beijos.